everyone. It's Miss Melissa from North Regional Library here at the Lafayette Public Library, and welcome to this week's Grab and Go Owl Craft. We're going to be sponge painting these cute owls. For your craft, you will pick up the grab and go bag from your library. Inside the bag, you will have the directions. Inside the bag, you'll also have a template with the body parts of the owl, some paint, 2 pieces of sponge for your sponge painting, and 2 googly eyes. From home, you'll need scissors, glue, craft stick or a little plastic spoon, and some markers, colors of your choice. You'll also need a paper plate or something to put your paint in, some type of flat surface, and I'm using an old piece of cardboard to put my owl on top to do my painting. You're welcome to cut out all the parts before painting. The parts are the owl's body, the wings, 2 wings, 2 eyes, and a triangle beak. If you choose just to make one, you can paint directly on the cardstock template that I have for you. If you choose to trace, you can use construction paper or poster board and actually trace all of your parts onto the paper. And that way, when you finish one owl, you'll have another owl that you can paint and cut out. So we'll begin by taking our paper plate and pouring our paint onto the plate. Use a little spoon or a craft stick to take your paint out. And you don't have to pour it all out at one time. You can just pour out a little at a time to do your sponge painting. Next, I'm going to pour out some of the yellow paint. We have 2 different colors because we're going to make an alternating pattern on our owl. I'm going to paint my body first, so I'm going to put my 2 different color sponges in the paint and just put a little paint of each color on your sponge. Start with your first color at the very top of your owl and sponge paint that color. Just press it down. Take your next color and continue in a straight line, sponge painting, making a pattern. If you feel that you don't have enough paint, just add some more to your sponge. And the alternating colors look pretty cool. If you choose that you don't want to do an alternating pattern, it's okay for you to use the sponges in whatever way you'd like. You're the artist. Once your body is painted, you can take a marker and color your beak, whichever color you'd like your beak to be. You can also do the same with your wings. Use a marker to color your wings, or you can use the sponge paint and just tap over your wing area and sponge paint your wings. So now that everything is painted, you put this to the side to dry. It should take about an hour to dry. And once it's dry, it's time to cut out your owl ports. Here is a completed one that has dried. So now it's time to cut out your ports. This is the owl body. And you see I use the alternating colors, but some of the colors mix together. And that's pretty cool. It makes a cool design. I have all of my ports cut out, ready to be glued. So first I'm going to take my two eyes and glue them onto the body at the very top. Push down on those circles and arrange them at the top. Next, I'm going to add the triangle beak. Look at your little diagram to show you an idea of where to place your beak. Next are the two wings, and I don't need glue over the entire wing. I just need glue a little to the side. So you can put the glue onto the owl body and place your wing. Now it's time for your Google eyes, and that will take a little time to dry. Let's put a little glue in the center of each white circle and place your eyes right on top and push them down a little and place your owl to the side so it can dry for about an hour again. When you're complete, you should have neat sponge painted owls to decorate your home for fall, or you can give these owls to someone special. Thanks for joining us for this week's Grab and Go. I'll see you next time.